Ok, bonjour ou bonsoir. J'espère que vous êtes content de votre journée que vous avez passé à l'école aujourd'hui. Donc aujourd'hui, comme vous allez voir, c'est notre premier devoir. Euh, et avant, cette partie était faite en classe. Donc maintenant, vous allez travailler sur cette partie à la maison. Ok. Donc vous avez ici le plan de ce qu'on aurait fait en classe. This is the plan of what we'll have done in class. Et comme je vous ai dit, on ne fera plus ça en classe. Et ce qu'on fera en classe, on fera seulement, on s'entraînera, on fera des présentations et on posera des questions. Et au lieu de rester tranquille et écouter l'enseignant, au fait de m'écouter, vous allez plutôt faire des activités. So basically, this is gonna be this was the plan that we usually we did in the class last time last year, as you are well aware of. But now this part you will do it at home, and I'm gonna make sure I really simplify it so you really understand and write down your questions because my goal is for you to excel in this class this year and get your oral parts going. Okay. Bon, this is going to be basically the first part of the assignment that you're going to do, and bring it to class tomorrow. Okay, you're gonna do this and bring it to class tomorrow. You're gonna answer these questions. Okay, you will notice that it's a little bit different already from French too because it's all in French, and at home you can pause this video at any time and just think about it. Alright. Donc voilà. Tu viens de rentrer au lycée après les vacances d'été. Tu penses aux copains, aux profs, aux cours, à la nourriture et au travail. Toi, es-tu prêt à commencer la nouvelle année scolaire? So basically, you just came back to school after summer vacation. Okay, you're thinking about friends, teachers, classes, food, and work. So are you ready to start the new school year? So these are the questions that you're going to be answering. Quelle était la date du premier jour de classe à ton lycée? Comment est-ce que tu t'es préparé? How did you get ready? What? By the way, this is what was the first date of school at your high school. Qu'est-ce que tu as été obligé d'acheter? Tu es allé à une librairie? Quels cours sont difficiles, faciles? Quels profs sont sympas? Comment est la nourriture à la cantine? Est-il difficile de faire des amis dans ton lycée? Es-tu content de rentrer au lycée? Pourquoi? Pourquoi pas? So I'm going to let you actually work on this on, right? And actually, I asked you to write this on a piece of paper. Now you're going to write it on the website and submit it. Alright. So after you've done so, you can actually pause this now so you can answer the questions. Okay. And then return it on this slide once you're done. Alright. Alright. I'm assuming that you're done now with this part. Let's go to the next part. So this is gonna be on page 1 to 3 in your textbook, right? But you can just follow slowly here, so because I have everything that you need to know. So in this in the unit that we're going to be doing in this, the first chapter, it's called La vie scolaire, le passe-temps, school life, and then and the pastime. And I'm assuming that you're able to read this, so go ahead and read the goals that you are to know, we are to get to at the end of this unit. Okay, so inquire about the past, describe past events, and so on. I'll let you read it. Okay, feel free to pause anytime so you can read it. Alright. Okay, let's now go ahead and learn some vocabulary words. Allons-y à apprendre certains vocabulaires. Maintenant, j'aimerais que tu répètes. Okay. Le grec, le russe, le calcul, un labo, un bloc-notes, un carnet, un manuel, un examen, un feutre, une rédaction, un trombone, une gomme. Good. Okay, these are part of vocabulary words you need to know for this unit 1A. Donc ça, ce sont les vocabulaires, les mots de vocabulaire que vous devrez comprendre pour la première partie du chapitre 1. Maintenant, à ton tour. Your turn. Okay, go ahead and give me the name of these items and these classes. Okay, the first one, le premier, deuxième, troisième, quatrième, cinquième, sixième, septième, huitième, neuvième, dixième, 11, 12, 13. Ok, vérifions si vous avez correctement donné la réponse. Let's check to see if you got it right. Yeah, hopefully you got it right. All right. Next page. All right. So at this point, you're basically done with your homework today. Okay. So what I would like you to do for this, for the previous part of the vocabulary word, I would like you to also copy the vocabulary word on this time on a piece of paper and then bring it to class tomorrow. Alright, so I can check it and make sure you understand. Okay, because the goal is for you to get it right. Okay. Bon, à bientôt, à demain, au revoir.